Hey, what's up? My name is Adam, and in this video, I'm going to share with you a template that you can use right out of the box to read faster and more efficiently. So I'll just get right into it. I don't want to waste your time. The template lets you upload as many documents and files as you want to read. So this is an example of a PDF that was uploaded. As you can see, I can scroll and read it. Very, very simple. And then if I want to go and read other material, I can have that in the same exact window. The main reason we did it or built it this way is so that you don't have to have so many tabs open and so many applications open that you're reading with. It's just easier to have everything in one place. It'll cut down the amount of time you're wasting kind of managing materials. So yeah, this is an example of another PDF. If you decide to switch to a different assignment or a different topic altogether, this template makes that possible. And it's very adaptable. So if you want to go grab it and use it, it's completely free. Go to the link in the description. You'll find it on Gumroad, which is just a regular digital product store where you'll just give your email and then we'll send it to you and you can just have this template and you can begin customizing it for yourself. Like you can change the folders, change the names, do whatever you want, upload your stuff. And then from there, you'll be able to do like essentially read with this from wherever because it works on your desktop, it works on your tablet, it'll work on your phone, it syncs across any browser. So very flexible if you need something that'll just contain all your reading material and let you look at it in this view. Just some other quality of life features to mention are Zen mode, which is cool. I like it for really just ruling out any distractions. Like as you can see, there's no other things happening on my screen other than the template and just all of the materials I want to see. Collaboration is unlimited, so you can collaborate and invite as many people as you want to this if you need to edit for any reason, or you don't have to do that if you're just being private. And it's a template because you definitely can customize this and design it the way you need it. So if you need something particular in mind, there's a very strong chance that this is going to work for you and you can, apply it to your process already. This is an example of a different type of hub that I created that is around the research topic of patient centricity. So I'm actually doing some real research on this right now. And you can see how the overarching structure of it is the same. And there's, a lot of similarities, but all the files are different. They're only related to this singular topic that I'm working on. And the folder structure is different. There's also internal linking here. So like these blue links here, if I open them, they'll just open like files that are already contained within this hub, which is really cool. So if you have a lot of documents and you're taking notes, this really does make the reading process much more efficient because you don't have to remember like where your sources are. You can just kind of open them up with these links. So I just want to show you another example of how this template can evolve to meet your needs. And then lastly, you may be looking for a Notion template, and it definitely works with Notion. So we integrate with Notion well. Whenever you place the link to your hub into a Notion workspace, it'll just unfurl like this. So this is another hub about sustainability, and it's currently embedded into Notion. So if you're a Notion user, you can totally leverage this in Notion, and it works really well. And I think one of the big benefits of that is if you're using Notion for free, you'll notice that there's a storage limit or restriction to the amount of to the size of files you can upload. So if you're dealing with really big PDFs, then you may not be able to upload them to Notion. But with Kahana, you can. So we have a pretty large storage limit for files. Like you can upload up to 100 megabytes per file and then embed it into Notion. So that's kind of a workaround if you're dealing with that issue. Other than that, that's all I wanted to mention in this video. Thank you so much for checking it out. If you have any questions or feedback, please feel free to shout them out in the comments. It really helps the channel and it helps everybody get good information. I'll be here to respond to them literally as soon as you say. So yeah, looking forward to hear from you. If you have any questions about the template as you're using it or want tips on how to customize it, feel free to let me know. My socials are also in the description and I respond on there. So just let me know. Yeah, thanks so much for checking this out. Hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye.